Hello, welcome back to another entrepreneurial training section. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. In today's edition, we shall be treating hand sanitizer spray. Hand sanitizer spray is just a very liquid form of hand sanitizer. We've been seeing a lot of hand sanitizer out there, some form of gel, while some are very watery, and we felt like the one with gel is more authentic than the one that is liquid. Well, in our training section, we'll be treating how to make the two, but I want to tell you that no one is more authentic. The percentage of alcohol in our hand sanitizer determines how genuine it is and the kind of alcohol in it. In this particular training, we shall be emphasizing and treating how to make hand sanitizer spray. So to make hand sanitizer spray, we just need to make sure our alcohol is 75%. Then we'll be having water in this. Then you can also add aloe vera gel if you want to, but if you are adding aloe vera gel, make sure aloe vera gel plus water equals about 18%. That means it's either you're using 99% or you're using full water of 18% or full aloe vera gel of 18%. Depend on you. And aloe vera gel is not even compulsory since it's going to be watery, but the only thing, the quality of the gel, that means the characteristics of the gel will still work in our hand sanitizer. Then we need 4% of glycerin and 3% of hydrogen peroxide. So in 1 liter preparation, we would need IPA 750 ml, then hydrogen peroxide 30 ml, glycerin of 40 ml, then we'll need aloe vera gel of 180 ml. So aloe vera gel plus water should be that 180 ml. So you can make it 90 ml. You can make it aloe vera gel alone, and you can also make it water alone. Aloe vera gel is not that compulsory, but at least it adds to your production. So let's see our chemicals. Let's look into our chemicals. So this is our IPA, this is our hydrogen peroxide, this is our glycerin, we have our aloe vera gel, then this is our water. Then also, if you want to, you can add perfume to it. It's not also compulsory, but you might add it to it because of the hydrogen peroxide, just to get the smell away. It all depends on you. So I'm putting my water, and what the preparation we are making here is very little, so I'm not following the measurements because it's very little, but I'm working on the measurement gradually because I'm producing about 100 to 200 milliliters here, so I'm trying to make sure it blends in terms of percentage. So that is my water, and I've added aloe vera gel into it, so I'm mixing my water and aloe vera gel together. So when it is well mixed, I'll be adding so I'm trying to measure it, I'm trying to gauge the measurement. So I'm adding my glycerin just to blend along with the water and the aloe vera gel. So after that, I'm going to stir. So I'm stirring it to have a well mixed solution. After which I added my hydrogen peroxide, just a little. So after adding my hydrogen peroxide, I have to stir properly also. I stir it very well so as to have a good mix. So I think the remaining thing is just the alcohol. So I'll be adding my alcohol. Make sure my alcohol is about 75% of the entire production. That is why I directed the measurement line to my place so as to keep monitoring it. This is very simple. It's just for you to add your aloe vera gel into water, mix it, then add your glycerin, add your hydrogen peroxide, and add your alcohol into it and mix it properly, and you have your production. So the only thing is just to follow the percentage. Make sure the percentage is there, especially the alcohol must be above 75, about 75%. Then make sure you store these into a container and for about 72 hours, so that the combination can work together, so that the reaction can become one. So I'm storing it into my container right now. So after adding it into my container, I close it for about 74 hours before I can make use of it. But before I do that, I just want to show you how it is by putting it in my palm for you to see. So I just add it to my palm and and that's it. So that's the way hand sanitizer looks. When you add it to your hand, no matter how watery it is, it goes off gradually, and the glycerin makes it a little bit moist. So that's our hand sanitizer spray. It's very liquid form. This is not the one that looks like gel, and I'll be taking the other hand sanitizer in my next empowerment training. That is the one that looks like gel. So thank you very much. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali, and if you're here to subscribe to our channel, kindly do so. Thank you.